Welcome back to Toyota Northwest Edmonton. In today's walk-around video, we're looking at pre-owned, certified, and reconditioned 2021 Mazda CX-5 GS in white color. This SUV is equipped with 2.5-liter four-cylinder Skyactiv G engine that produces 187 horsepower and 186 pound-feet of torque. It also equipped with a 6-speed automatic transmission. Here exterior features at the front including LED headlamps, block heater cord integrated into the lower part, also chrome surrounding of the bumper, pre-collision system, adaptive cruise camera integrated into the windshield. On the side we can see black over fenders, 18-inch winter tires with alloy rims, body colored door handles, privacy rear window with tint and chrome molding around it, roof integrated shark fin antenna. Here is our key fob, all the buttons placed on the side of it, remote lock unlock, trunk release, and panic button. Exterior mirrors have integrated turning light in them. Driver's door is equipped with power windows, power doors, window lock, power side mirror adjustment, speaker, bottle holders with storage compartment. On the left side of the dash, we can find power lift gate release, traction control off button, lane mitigation alert off, the hood and gas tank hatch release are placed right here. In front of the driver, 3-spoke leather-wrapped steering wheel, and behind the driver informational gauge cluster. On the left side of the steering wheel, we can flip through that part of the screen of a driver's display, volume up and down for audio, voice intelligent assistant, hands-free buttons. On the right side, adaptive cruise control buttons with the front sonar sensor, and all the buttons for the adaptive cruise are right here on the right side. In the center of the dash, multimedia touch screen, and here we can find Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto connectivity, and other features. 2 air vents, hazard light button, push button start for the engine, heated front seats, heated steering wheel button, airbag indicator display, climate control with air conditioner, front windshield deicer, rear window defroster. Down below, storage compartment with 12-volt connector. Here's our gear shifter knob. There is a sport driving mode available, electronic parking brake with a brake hold, and controls for the multimedia. 2 cup holders, central console armrest with storage bin. Here we can find another 12-volt connector, 2 USB ports, and storage bin with the small storage tray. In front of the passenger glove box, overhead console including rear view mirror and map lights for driver and front passenger. Sun visors have integrated mirror and light. Seats in this Mazda CX-5 made of leather-like material. They're black with the suede central inserts. Driver's seat is 8-way power adjustable, and front passenger seat is manually adjustable. Let's look at the rear passenger area. Here we can find power window button, speaker with the bottle holders, also optional armrest with the cup holders and storage tray. There is a USB charging ports that could be folded. Seat back pockets behind the front passenger and driver's seat, and seats are folding 60-40 with the children's seat anchors at the back. Here we can see a rear spoiler, privacy rear window with tint, chrome Mazda's emblem, CX-5 badging, and 2 LED lights with backup camera, power liftgate button hiding behind the emblem. Here's our cargo area. Here we can find rubber front mats for front seats, another 12-volt connector. Cargo area is nice and clean, and underneath this cover, spare tire with the tools. Let's have a last look at this pre-owned, certified, and reconditioned Mazda CX-5 GS that we have here in stock. This SUV comes with the leather-like interior with the suede inserts, front heated seats and front steering wheel, multimedia with the Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, sport driving mode, and other great features. Stop by to take this Mazda for a test drive. We are located at 137 Avenue and St.Albert Trail at Toyota Northwest Edmonton, the big Toyota dealership.